Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. I hope you guys have been living a happy and fit lifestyle as always. So I am back with the second episode of my journey at the Miss Universe India pageant for my state of Uttar Pradesh, and this one is going to be about the wardrobe organization. So as I mentioned in my last video of the first episode that I had literally gotten like every other girl. I had gotten the confirmation that I have made it as a finalist literally a week before, and in like a span of 6 days, I had to manage all my outfits. So I think that it was quite a task, especially the finale, especially for the finale outfits. So this one is going to be all about how I managed my outfits, and I'll also show you guys in bits and parts about the outfits, and I might also share the PDF that was given to us. So before wasting any more time, let's get started with this one. But before we move forward, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. So in my journey, when I was preparing, I had heard from a lot of mentors that you should be prepared with your wardrobe beforehand. You shouldn't wait for the pageant. You should get your outfits sorted. And for me, I was prepared. Like, I had a lot of bodycon dresses, but for this particular pageant, it was like a 4-day pageant, and on this we were given a specific color, a specific pattern for each day. So I couldn't just wear any bodycon dress that I like, or I wasn't able to express my own sense of styling because we were given a certain pattern and color for each day. So for the first day, I'll share a screenshot of the PDF. Our arrival look was supposed to be a floral dress, and we were supposed to wear a black bodycon. Like, it was supposed to be a black dress for a photo shoot, but we were supposed to add some neon accessories or maybe a neon touch in that dress itself. Now, black dress wasn't a task at all, floral dress wasn't a task, but what was really a task was to find neon accessories, because I couldn't find them anywhere online. I couldn't find them at the store. After a lot of researching for a lot of options, I finally found an earrings on Amazon. We had an orientation with our national director, with our state director, and she told us that even if we are wearing a neon ring or a neon earring, it's fine. We have to just add a touch of neon. So I had looked for accessories and I could find these one earrings. And for the floral dress, I had wore this, as you can see in the picture. This was our arrival outfit, and then we had a photo shoot, and then we had our orientation where we were sashed with our name. For the day two also, we were given two kinds of dresses. We were supposed to wear shades of pink or purple, which gives a Barbie kind of feel. And for the evening, we were given a pattern of polka dots. It was not specifically mentioned that we were supposed to wear a dress, but we were told that we are supposed to wear a pattern of polka dots, which was again something that I didn't have. So I bought a really cute dress from Myntra, which I'll show somewhere over here. And all these outfits, like the pink dress I had, the black dress I was having, but the floral and the polka dots was something that I didn't have, because I myself personally don't wear polka dots or florals. So that was something that I didn't buy beforehand, and I didn't have it in my wardrobe already. So for the day three was also our interview day. So we were supposed to wear a formal kind of an outfit, and I bought myself a blazer dress, and there was supposed to be a talent round outfit, which was not a task to manage, because that was something that we were supposed to wear according to our performance, and we were free to express our own sense of styling. And the day three was not that of a task. What was really a task to fetch was the outfits for the day four. So there were 3 different outfits for the finale. There was an Indian wear walk round, in which we had to wear a Banarasi sari. It was supposed to be in the shades of dark red, dark green, or brown, and the blouse was supposed to match the color of the sari, the contrast of the sari. The second one was supposed to be a silver or a black dress for the opening gown round, but the black was supposed to be in sequins. And for the evening gown, even the picture that you can see in the PDF was the fabric of satin, but we were supposed to wear gowns in sequins. अब हुआ ये दैट आपने शायद देखा हो PDF में लिखा होगा दैट द साड़ी वॉज सपोज टू बी प्री स्टिच्ड, और बनारसी साड़ी में ये प्रॉब्लम होता है दैट यू डोंट गेट प्री स्टिच साड़ी. इवन तो मिंत्रा पे कुछ अवेलेबल थी, बट 2 बार हो चुका था कि मेरा मिंत्रा को ऑर्डर गलत आया था फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. इट हैड नेवर हैपन बिफोर. और जो साड़ी मैंने ऑर्डर करी थी इट वॉज शोइंग कि वो फिनाले के जस्ट एक दिन पहले आएगी, तो मेरे पास टाइम नहीं होता टू गेट इट रिप्लेस्ड. एंड गाउन तो मिल ही नहीं रहा था ऑनलाइन. लाइक आई कुड ओनली फाइंड गाउन्स ऑन अर्बनिक, एंड अर्बनिक पे एवरीवन नोज कि 5-6 दिन में नहीं आता है कुछ भी. इट टेक्स लाइक गुड 8 to 10 days. और जो मुझे गाउन्स पसंद आ रहे थे विच वॉज सपोज टू बी फॉर द फिनाले विच वॉज द मेन इवेंट, those were taking like a lot of time, at least 15 days to arrive. और मैं ऑफलाइन जाके मैंने बहुत ढूंढे गाउन, बट इन लखनऊ यू डोंट गेट दैट मच अमाउंट ऑफ गाउन्स विच यू कैन वेयर ऑन द रैम्प. तो लखनऊ में यू विल गेट मोर ऑफ द एथनिक स्टफ, जैसे बनारसी साड़ी जो थी मुझे बहुत ईजिली मिल गई थी. और जो सिल्वर ड्रेस थी दैट वाज ऑल्सो समथिंग दैट आई समहाउ फाउंड ऑन मिंत्रा, बट उसकी जो जिप थी वो ख़राब थी एंड आई डिडंट हैड द टाइम टू रिप्लेस, तो मैंने वो फिक्स करवा ली. बट yeah, so I had visited all the possible stores in Lucknow to find one perfect gown. स्टिच कराने का भी मेरे पास टाइम नहीं था बिकॉज इट वॉज सपोज टू बी एन इवनिंग गाउन. और मुझे ये गाउन एक्चुअली फिनाले तक नहीं 28 तक सॉर्ट करके रखना था, बिकॉज वी वर हैविंग आवर ट्रायल्स ऑन 28 ऑफ द फिनाले आउटफिट्स. तो फाइनली मुझे एक गाउन मिला एंड आई विल अटैच अ पिक्चर ऑफ इट. And this was the only gown which was available at the store according to the theme that we were given. अब क्या हुआ, अब ट्रायल्स वाले दिन जब मैं अपनी साड़ी लेके गई तो जो साड़ी थी ऑफ कोर्स यू डोंट गेट प्री स्टिच, और प्री स्टिच उन्होंने इसलिए बोला था बिकॉज वी वर टोल्ड दैट एट द फिनाले वेयर वी आर सपोज टू गेट ड्रेस वी लिटरली हैव 10 to 15 minutes टू चेंज आवर आउटफिट्स. तो फर्स्ट हमारा सिल्वर ड्रेस था ओपनिंग डांस के लिए, और वो हम लोग के पास उसमें ड्रेसअप होने के लिए काफ़ी टाइम था. बट टू चेंज फ्रॉम दैट इन टू अ साड़ी हमारे पास लिटरली सिर्फ 10 मिनट थे. एंड वी इन लिटरली दैट मच अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम बैक स्टेज वी हैड टू चेंज आवर एक्सेसरीज एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड साड़ी इसलिए उन्होंने बोला था प्री स्टिच करने को बिकॉज देयर वर अ लॉट ऑफ गर्ल्स जिनको साड़ी पहनना नहीं आती थी, एंड आई वॉज one of them. So what I did was, since I was not able to get and anyone was not able to get a pre-stitched sari, so what I did was that my mom made the plaits, and we had gotten the plaits stitched separately, and my mom taught me how am I supposed to wear it. बिकॉज जो प्लेट्स होती हैं दैट इज़ द मेन पार्ट, एंड जो बनारसी साड़ी का फैब्रिक होता है वो बहुत हैवी होता है. सो वंस यू ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि आप एक बार में पहन लो, द प्लेट्स विल बी ऑल ओवर द प्लेस एंड एवरीथिंग. और हमारे पास वहाँ पे कोई हेल्पर्स नहीं थे, सो वी वर सपोज टू मैनेज आवर ओन थिंग्स. और मेकअप आर्टिस्ट की भी इतनी टीम नहीं थी सो दैट दे कुड हेल्प अस. सो बाय द वे जब हमारा टर्न आया था आई थिंक द मेकअप आर्टिस्ट वहाँ पे बैक स्टेज नहीं थे व्हेन वी वर चेंजिंग. So we were supposed to manage it on our own, but it happened thankfully. And एक चीज़ और हुई थी that when the trials were happening, तो PDF में ये mentioned था that जो blouse है that is supposed to match the contrast of the साड़ी. और साड़ी में मेरी जो साड़ी थी इसमें red और golden work था, so I got myself a beautiful golden blouse. But then I was told that I'm supposed to get myself a red blouse because the sari mostly had red color. तो मैंने लिटरली घर पे कॉल करके आई आस्क्ड माई मॉम टू गो गेट अ न्यू ब्लाउज एंड गेट इट स्टिच्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू माई साइज व्हेन आई वाज एट द रिहर्सल. तो एक ब्लाउज़ मेरा ऑलरेडी था घर पे. आई आस्क्ड माई मॉम कि आप वो ब्लाउज़ ले जाओ फॉर रेफरेंस एंड गेट इट स्टिच्ड. और फाइनली फिनाले राउंड के आउटफिट्स इस तरह से आफ्टर अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रगल सॉर्ट आउट हो गए. But obviously it was a lot of struggle, especially for the finale. I was not able to get the outfits because online भी इतना ज़्यादा टाइम लग रहा था. और जो मैंने बाकी आउटफिट्स भी ऑर्डर करे थे, I just ordered them according to the fastest delivery date. मतलब मुझे बस ये देखना था कि कौन सा आउटफिट टाइमली आ जा रहा है. एंड आई थिंक I was in my होम टाउन, तो जो गर्ल्स बाहर से आ रही थी फॉर द पैजेंट, आई एम श्योर उनके लिए ये और भी ज़्यादा बड़ा टास्क होगा, बिकॉज एक दिन तो ट्रैवल में ही उनका निकल गया होगा. एंड सपोज फॉर लाइक फॉर मी, इफ़ एनी ऑफ माई आउटफिट्स वॉजंट अप्रूव्ड, I had my hometown, so that meanwhile I'm at the rehearsals, my mom can fetch my outfits, and it is a place that I have, and it is a place that is my hometown. So my mom and my family knows the places where we can get our clothes if in case it is not approved. But I'm sure for all the other girls it was really a task, but we all managed it beautifully, and this is how my outfits were sorted. And जिसका नेक्स्ट एपिसोड होगा, आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद द स्टार्ट ऑफ द पैजेंट फ्रॉम डे 1, and that will be the third episode, so stay tuned for that. And if you like this one, or if you have any queries, then let me know in the comment section below. As soon as possible, I'll try to be back with some more interesting stuff. Till then, take good care of yourself and stay happy. I'll call it off because fan सब off करके रखा है and it's really hot. Okay, bye.